Welcome to Stratabound Minerals Corp, a Canadian mineral exploration and development company with a strong presence in North America. Led by CEO Kim Tyler, a seasoned geologist and executive with over 40 years of experience in the mining industry, the company's flagship project is the Fremont Gold Project in the Mother Lode Gold Belt of California. A recent independent preliminary economic assessment shows that the project has an estimated 11-year mine life and will produce 1.3 million ounces of gold. The project's estimated initial capital expenditure is approximately $203 million, and the average cash cost is $872 per ounce, with an all-in sustaining cost of $1,082 per ounce gold. With an average yearly production of 118,000 ounces of gold and a peak production of 157,000 ounces in the fourth year, the Fremont Gold Project is a significant opportunity for investors. In addition to its strong economic potential, Stratabound Minerals is committed to sustainability. The company is implementing a railway system of bulk material transport to replace diesel-powered haulage trucks, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting environmental responsibility. With a proven track record of responsible mineral exploration and development, a highly experienced leadership team, and a commitment to sustainability, Stratabound Minerals is more than just an investment opportunity. It's a chance to be part of something bigger, to contribute to a sustainable future, and to help build a better world.